Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today again I am here with 5 uses of gram flour or besan for our skin. Now using besan for the face and the skin is an age-old trick which we still use, and we admit it. Like every occasion, suppose for a new bride to be or any other occasion or function, or simple to treat our skin or to make our skin healthy, we do check out with besan. So yes, so today I am going to list you 5 of the healthy uses of besan. So yes, without any further ado, let's just start with the video. So the very first use of besan is that it helps to treat your acne problems. The zinc in besan or gram flour helps to fight infections that causes acne, and the fiber in it helps to stabilize the blood sugar level. Imbalanced blood sugar level can stress out your hormone, causing breakouts and pimples, which besan can prevent. Now you can create a brilliant face pack with besan for treating your acne problems. How? Just check it out. You have to combine equal parts of besan and turmeric. To this, add a teaspoon each of lemon juice and raw honey. You have to mix all of these together in a bowl. Now apply this mask to your damp and makeup free face and neck and leave it for 10 minutes. Now rinse thoroughly with warm water, or you may say lukewarm water, and you may have slightly orangish tint until your next wash, but no worries, we want healthy skin, right? Now second use of besan is that it removes tan. Yes, you heard it right. Wondering how to use besan for tan removal? Then check this out, what I'm going to say next. Well, mix 4 teaspoons of besan with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and yogurt. Add a pinch of salt and mix to form a smooth paste. Apply this mask all over your face and wait until it dries, and then rinse it off with cool water. And you can repeat this step actually every day before you go to bath. So yes, it will solve your purpose of getting a tan free skin. Now third use of besan is that it can be used to exfoliate your dead skin. So you can also actually use besan to exfoliate your dead skin cells from your body. You can use it as a body scrub. All you have to do is you have to just follow the steps which I am going to say you just after this. Mix 3 teaspoons of the besan with 1 teaspoon of ground oats and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. You can add a little raw milk too. Mix the paste thoroughly. Apply this mask to your body and scrub it well. Now this scrub really works well and removes the dead skin cells from your body, and it also removes excess sebum and dirt from your body. You can actually include this mask into your bath regimen regularly. Now the fourth use is for oily peoples just like me. So to reduce oiliness, just follow these steps. Mix equal parts of besan and yogurt or raw milk. Now apply this paste to your face and leave it on and wash your face after 20 minutes. This process in turn reduces the oiliness and cleanses your skin really well. So the fifth and the final use of besan for today is it removes fine facial hairs from your face. Yay! Those who have facial hair problem, it's a boon to you, man. Using besan for facial hair removal is very effective. All you have to do is mix equal parts of besan and fenugreek powder. Prepare a paste. Now apply this mask over your facial hair wherever you have minute facial hair, and wait for it to dry, and post this you can wash it off. So these are all the 5 benefits of Besan, which you can use either regularly or weekly or monthly according to your own sweet time and your own wish. So yes, that's all for today's video. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. So for more such videos, keep watching this space every Sunday at 9 p.m. and yes, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy.